Hi everyone. So we are dealing with respiratory pathology, and what we are learning now it is adenocarcinoma. So you know it is from the glands. So here you can see it is a glandular pattern. You can see a lumen, and surrounding that you can see the tumor cells. So almost it looks like this. You can see the lumen and the tumor cell surrounding it. So that is the glandular pattern you can observe in adenocarcinoma. So that is the histology seen here. Now immunohistochemistry is also given. You can see this brown colorings, that is immunohistochemistry. So you should know what are the different markers. So what are the different markers? They are positive for mucin. They are positive for mucin, thyroid transcription factor 1, napsin A, napsin A. So the most important one which you should remember, it is this napsin A. That is the sensitive as well as specific marker. Okay. So this you should remember: mucin, thyroid transcription factor 1 and napsin A. Okay. Now what are the important points you have to study about this? So one is, it is the overall the most common type of lung cancer that you can see, it is adenocarcinoma, and it is the most common type in non-smokers and in females. So in squamous it was the most common type in smokers and males. Here it is non-smokers and females. And what was the location in squamous? It was central. Now here in adenocarcinoma it is peripheral in location, and the gene getting mutated, it is KRAS mutation. Now in the histology we have already told the glandular pattern, immunohistochemistry also we told, thyroid transcription factor, napsin A and mucin. So the overall, what is the most common type of lung cancer seen? That is adenocarcinoma. Okay, thank you.